I want us to understand that what is the meaning of this, let's say this frequency axis. So now actually I have shifted my uh, attention from in DTFT. With DTFT, I meant discrete time Fourier transform. So actually, more details of different types of Fourier transform we will take tomorrow. But to understand this particular topic, I'll just give a quick introduction of this topic. Okay. So when we always talk of continuous time signal sampling there, like for example, my frequency is this. So we say that my frequency is in hertz. But when I'm talking of DTFT, this omega, this is actually in radian. This is one point. And yeah, radian is not actually a unit of frequency, it is a unit of angle. But doesn't matter here. So this omega is actually normalized frequency. And you might have already read that in literature that this omega is ranges from minus pi to plus pi. Are you all familiar with this?
Yes, Murthy.
Yeah. So I'll just try to quickly explain that what is the logic of this. So when I said that it is normalized frequency, so normalized means we are dividing our f by something. So yes, we are normalizing it by fs, and then this is multiplied by 2 pi. Okay, let's understand this in bit more detail. So when we sampled our signal, we are again referring to the same point here. When I sampled my signal, this was my fs, this was my minus fs, and the middle point fs by 2 should be somewhere here. Minus fs by 2 plus fs by 2. Okay, now let's plot. This is an f. Okay, now you should also keep some attention to this axis. Now let's plot the same thing in omega. Okay. Now let's plot this in omega. So this 0 will obviously be 0. And yeah, I'm using this formula. Fs, this will be 2 pi. Minus fs, this will be minus 2 pi. And yeah, fs by 2 minus fs by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So that's why we say that my frequency range in digital system, or when we usually talk about discrete time Fourier transform, ranges from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And my sampling frequency maps to 2 pi. So this is nothing but just a mapping. Is this point clear? If this is clear, I can proceed.
Just one doubt. It should be pi or pi by 2?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are right. Thanks for noting. It should be pi. Thank you. This means that you are listening with attention. Thanks. Okay. Minus pi. Yeah.